Frequent urination at night, known as nocturia, disrupts sleep and impacts overall health and well-being. Unlike typical nighttime awakenings, nocturia specifically refers to the need to wake up multiple times to urinate, which can lead to chronic sleep deprivation, daytime fatigue, and reduced quality of life. This condition affects individuals across all age groups, but is more prevalent in older adults due to various factors such as diminished bladder capacity, changes in hormone levels, and the presence of underlying health conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Addressing nocturia involves understanding its causes, making lifestyle adjustments, and seeking appropriate medical treatments to restore restful sleep and improve daily functioning. 1. Lifestyle modifications. Lifestyle modifications are critical in managing nocturia effectively, and these can be broadly categorized into fluid management, dietary adjustments, and bladder training. Fluid management involves carefully regulating liquid intake in the hours leading up to bedtime. Reducing the amount of fluid consumed 2 to 4 hours before sleep can significantly decrease the need for nighttime urination. It's equally important to avoid diuretic beverages like caffeine and alcohol in the evening. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and many sodas, stimulates the kidneys to produce more urine, while alcohol disrupts the body's fluid balance, both leading to increased urination. Dietary adjustments also play a vital role. Monitoring and reducing salt intake is essential, as high sodium levels cause the body to retain more fluid, leading to more frequent urination at night. A balanced diet not only supports overall health, but also helps in managing weight, which is crucial since excessive weight gain can put additional pressure on the bladder. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while avoiding processed foods high in sodium and unhealthy fats can help alleviate nocturia symptoms. Bladder training is another effective strategy. This includes establishing a regular urination schedule, known as time voiding, which helps train the bladder to hold urine for longer periods. Alongside this, pelvic floor exercises, often referred to as Kegel exercises, can strengthen the muscles around the bladder, improving control and reducing the frequency of urination. These exercises involve repeatedly contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles, which support the bladder and urethra, enhancing their function and control. Implementing these lifestyle modifications, fluid management, dietary adjustments, and bladder training can significantly reduce the symptoms of nocturia, leading to fewer nighttime awakenings and better sleep quality, ultimately improving overall well-being. 2. Medical treatments. Medical treatments for nocturia are essential when lifestyle modifications are insufficient. These treatments often involve medications and addressing underlying health conditions. Medications can significantly alleviate nocturia symptoms. Anticholinergics are commonly prescribed to reduce bladder muscle spasms, thereby decreasing the urgency and frequency of urination. Desmopressin, another effective medication, mimics the action of vasopressin, a hormone that reduces urine production at night, helping patients sleep longer without interruption. Interestingly, diuretics, typically known for increasing urine production, can be strategically used by taking them in the afternoon. This timing helps reduce fluid accumulation by bedtime, thereby decreasing the need to urinate during the night. Treating underlying conditions is also crucial. Managing diabetes is vital, as uncontrolled blood sugar levels lead to excessive urine production. Effective diabetes management through medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can significantly reduce nocturia. Heart failure management is another important aspect, as heart failure can cause fluid buildup in the body. Proper treatment, including medications and lifestyle changes to improve heart function, can reduce this fluid accumulation and, consequently, the frequency of nighttime urination. In summary, combining medications like anticholinergics, desmopressin, and strategic use of diuretics with effective management of underlying conditions such as diabetes and heart failure can greatly alleviate nocturia. This comprehensive approach addresses both the symptoms and root causes, helping patients achieve better sleep and improve quality of life. Regular consultations with healthcare providers are essential to tailor treatments to individual needs and monitor progress effectively. 3. Natural remedies. Natural remedies offer alternative approaches to managing nocturia, focusing on herbal supplements and homeopathic treatments. Herbal supplements like saw palmetto are frequently utilized for prostate health and alleviating urinary symptoms in men, potentially reducing nocturia associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Pumpkin seed extract is known for its supportive role in urinary tract health, potentially helping to reduce inflammation and improve bladder function, thus reducing nocturia symptoms. Homeopathic treatments also play a role in managing nocturia. Nux vomica is recommended for nocturia linked to overindulgence in food or drink, aiming to balance and soothe the digestive and urinary systems. Equisetum, derived from horsetail, is suggested for bladder irritation and frequent urination, addressing underlying issues that contribute to nocturia. These natural remedies provide complementary options for individuals seeking alternatives or adjuncts to conventional medical treatments, promoting bladder health and potentially reducing nighttime urination episodes. As with any treatment approach, consulting with a healthcare provider is essential to ensure safety, efficacy, and compatibility with existing health conditions or medications. 4. Behavioral and cognitive therapies. Behavioral and cognitive therapies are integral components in managing nocturia, focusing on reducing anxiety, improving sleep hygiene, and promoting relaxation. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, targets stress management techniques that help alleviate anxiety, a common contributor to nocturia. By addressing underlying psychological factors, such as stress or anxiety that may exacerbate urinary symptoms, CBT aims to reduce the frequency of nighttime awakenings and improve overall sleep quality. Sleep hygiene practices are equally vital in managing nocturia. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, where individuals go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, helps regulate the body's internal clock and promotes better sleep continuity. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, signals to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Ensuring a calm sleep environment, free from distractions and conducive to relaxation, further enhances the ability to achieve restful sleep. These behavioral and cognitive strategies complement medical and lifestyle interventions, offering holistic approaches to managing nocturia and improving overall well-being. Individuals seeking to incorporate these therapies should consult with healthcare providers or therapists specializing in sleep disorders for personalized guidance and support tailored to their specific needs. 5. Consultation and regular monitoring. Consultation and regular monitoring are crucial aspects of managing nocturia effectively, involving healthcare provider visits and the use of a bladder diary for tracking symptoms. Regular doctor visits are essential for a comprehensive evaluation, allowing healthcare providers to identify specific causes of nocturia and recommend personalized treatments. Through thorough examination and possibly diagnostic tests, underlying conditions such as diabetes, prostate issues, or bladder disorders can be diagnosed and addressed appropriately. Follow-up visits are equally important to monitor the effectiveness of treatment plans and make necessary adjustments. This ongoing assessment ensures that interventions are optimized for each individual's needs, promoting better management of nocturia symptoms over time. Maintaining a bladder diary is a practical tool recommended by healthcare professionals to track nocturia symptoms and related factors systematically. Individuals record details, such as fluid intake throughout the day, timing and frequency of urination episodes, and any associated symptoms like urgency or discomfort. This diary helps identify patterns and triggers contributing to nocturia, such as certain beverages or activities before bedtime. By documenting these details over a period, trends and correlations can be identified, providing valuable information for healthcare providers to refine treatment strategies. The bladder diary serves as a collaborative tool between patients and healthcare teams, facilitating informed discussions during medical appointments and enhancing the effectiveness of treatment plans. Overall, regular consultation with healthcare providers and diligent use of a bladder diary are essential components of managing and improving outcomes for individuals experiencing nocturia.